Hi, 안녕하세요, my friends all over the world. Are you still doing this? You will stop doing this after learning how to use chopsticks in this video. I will show you slowly, so follow me. Since there's a pair of chopsticks, I will explain them one by one. First, hold the top chopstick similar to holding a pencil. This is how most of you hold a pencil, right? That's right. Put it between your thumb, index finger, and middle finger. Now, it's a little different from holding a pencil. Hold the upper part of the chopstick and then adjust the angle like this. Perfect! Let's grab the bottom chopstick. Now forget about the pencil. First, place the middle part of the chopstick on the top of your ring fingernail and hold it with the tip of your middle finger. Then put the top of the chopstick between your thumb and palm. The point is to make it feel like you are pressing the chopstick lightly with your thumb. This is because the bottom chopstick needs to be fixed well. Okay, let's put the top and bottom chopstick together now. So this is what happened, right? Here, you should hold the bottom and move the top to pick up the food. When you move the upper chopstick, use your thumb as a lever and use your index finger and middle finger to move it. If you can use chopsticks by immobilizing the top and moving the bottom, please let me know in the comments. I've never seen it in my life. I'll learn from you. And this is it. It's not difficult. Of course, it takes some practice to use it well. All Koreans use chopsticks freely now go through the process of learning from their parents and practicing since they are young. Because the area of cerebral cortex that controls your hands and fingers is so large, teaching your children how to use chopsticks can help their brain development. Now, enjoy delicious food with your chopsticks and don't forget to subscribe, like, and alarm as well. See you in the next video. 안녕!